what's different with the Motorsport Carnival
Ayan
in
na.
this time around? Kasi last year, di ba, we were also there. Yes.
If you remember, way back 2023, we announced that we're gonna wake up a sleeping giant, right? So, a sleeping giant is awake. And it's big. It's a monster. It's hungry. It's thirsty. So, the master plan for this year and the following years to come is to put the Philippines back to the world map of motorsport. So that's the target this time. So we have prepared a few exciting events in preparation for international factor. So given time, we need this one to take off. When this one takes off, expect next year we'll do international events already. So we have the venue, we have the city in support of this. City Parañaque LGU is here supporting motorsports. We're supporting the sport, road safety, tourism, and everything that follows. So kami excited. Simple lang ang layout. We want the exciting races in the heart of Metro Manila. Okada being the major sponsor of this event, and proud kami to be part of it. And we found the home of motorsport in the city of Parañaque. We found the home as a venue from the biggest integrated resort casino in the country, which is Okada Manila. And together with Ricky Diliaco, our legendary champion race car driver, together I think we can achieve it. Ano siya eh. So simple setup. We're bringing back the fun in Metro Manila and the excitement of motorsport. Step by step we'll get there, and we'll promote it as much as we can.
So this is just the second year in Parañaque?
Yeah, second
Second
year.
Alright.
So this will be a series of events, no, until November. We're launching it in May 4. Iba-ibang aspect and category of racing, but this will be full-blown, and we try each and every category of motorsport na mapagbibigyan namin for a venue. As soon as this takes off, become a success, we'll be very, very proud to announce to the whole world that there's a venue in the Philippines where they can compete in, one step at a time. So let's bring back the glory days. 60s, during the 60s, during the 70s, tinamaan lang tayo nung during the time when there was a law passed during Philippine Parliament banning all motorsport events during the 80s. No? Tinamaan tayo nun. So now we're bringing back the available races where local, international racers and professional racing teams can join. You know, we're opening the doors in the heart of Metro Manila, here in the city of Parañaque.
Sir, anong mangyayari dun sa gagawin yung event dito sa Okada? What will happen?
Yeah, what kind of motor sports vehicles is going to be included, and what type of races?
So we're launching the first leg on May 4. It's going to be an amateur slalom race. Proud to say, it's going to be the biggest slalom event since the 90s and the 80s now. So it's going to be presented, promoted by Super Sprint. Super Sprint is the new age, new generation slalom organization, slalom racing now. So we're looking at amateurs to compete. We've prepared the seaside in the
Seaside.
seaside boardwalk behind Okada, Manila. We're expecting 150 to 200 competitors. This will be 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then there's
Pwede
this
dyan si Andre.
Yeah. There's si Andre, yeah. He could join depending on his schedule. Shooting down shooting.
Oh,
taping
artista
ng
na eh.
taping.
So that's a Sunday.
That's Sunday. So 7 p.m. onwards on a Sunday, there's this called Legends of the 90s na car group or club.
Mga
That
batang
will-
90s na.
Batang 90s to. So
This Sunday
Legends
na.
of the 90s.
This Sunday na.
This Sunday. It's a grand car meet and we're expecting it to be the biggest car meet of Legends of the 90s. So all these iconic cars from the 80s and 90s will come out. Usually na tinatago lang in their garages. No? Come May 31, we're launching Joms Cup. Joms Cup is a 1/8 mile drag racing event. It consists of 3 categories.
Where?
Same venue.
Same one.
Seaside Boardwalk. Supercar, muscle car, and vintage classic. So 3 kategorya. Merong morning, afternoon, and then evening. So we're still talking to also electronic vehicles, the EVs, para makasali ang celebrities natin for a EV in between those 3 categories. We're planning on putting EVs because they're exciting, they're different. So meron tayong 6 to 11 na in the morning na vintage classic. We have in the afternoon 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. the muscle cars, no? And then evening will be the supercars. So 40 participants per category. We'll host them. So in between we'll try to get EVs to come in. So mag-enjoy naman yung mga celebrities natin. Subukan natin kung gaano katibay yung dibdib nila pagdating sa EV.
So,
We'll invite them. We'll
so
invite
that's
them.
on May 31.
That's May 31.
Wala pang nagpa-register no, sa mga celebrities.
Tulad nila po.
We need to sit down, talk to them, invite them pa. Although marami naman sila. Marami din in the south area. Di ba? My wife is very interested. Ang condition niya sa akin, gusto niya siya yung muna. Mauna
Gusto
daw
niya
siya.
mag-join?
Ang first na test daw, ang gusto niya siya. So, bigay natin yung hiling. And then come June 21 and 22, we're gonna do the biggest rally event in the Philippines. We're gonna close down main roads in the area of Entertainment City. It's gonna be a super special stage of rally. The same style as the Rally of Monaco. So it's gonna be nighttime. It's a night race. According to Ricky Diliaco, he wants 25 to 40 maximum participants. So cream of the crop. So super special stage, gabi tayo dito na. So sasara tayo ng kalye.
So 2 nights.
And then it will end sa boardwalk pa rin para ang spectators natin nakikita. Pag rally naman, it's time trials. So one after the other para nakita natin, mapapanood natin. We're trying to set up also live streaming para for raffle prizes and ganyan, may home partner. Yung attendees na spectator, they get the chance to win raffle prizes too. And participants, same. We want this to be exciting, fun, na hindi masyadong seryoso. Balik natin dun sa yung sigla ng motorsport like before. Growing up in Green Hills, in Ortigas, nakita natin yan, napanood natin yan, nababasa natin sa dyaryo, napapanood natin. So, come June
21.
28,
21.
will be the main rally event na siya. It's gonna be the Lubang Rally. Lubang. So these professional rally drivers and rally teams will hop into a barge, pumunta ng Lubang, Mindoro, and then the main rallies will be consisted of 11 stages, all tarmac. First time. So we're proud to announce that this will be the biggest rally event ever and the biggest drag racing event ever and the biggest slalom event ever in the Philippines.
You're not talking about Filipino participants, you're talking about foreigners?
We're talking of, we have a few foreigners, very few. We have a few.
So mostly Pinoys.
Most of them are Filipinos.
Okay.
So, but we have a few foreigners. I met some of them from the Mustang Club the other day. So, meron pa rin tayong foreigners based everywhere. Some are in Clark, some are in Subic, some are in Manila. So, yun.
And sir, how prepared are the facilities? Because I'm sure this is probably gonna get like a lot of things prepared, like the track itself. How have you visited them already?
Organization will be designed for the drag racing. It will be Philippine Drag Racing Federation.
Number one fan. Number one fan.
So the Philippine Drag Racing Federation will handle marshals. We're looking at NHRA spec, so National Hot Rod Association spec from America. So nothing less than highest standards of safety. So with the rally naman, it's the same. We have the support of Automotive Association of the Philippines, sanctioned governing body by the International Automotive Association, Federation, the International de Automobile from France, which is the international governing body. So safety standards are there. Highest available safety features are there. So, well prepared naman tayo, headed by the head of motorsport of Automotive Association, Ricky Deliaco.
John, it looks like a very ambitious event. So how do you expect to mount this talagang without any hitches?
Ambitious, yeah, you can say that. Pero
Yes.
bubugoy-bugoy lang naman kami.
Pero sabi mo,
Ah.
first one, di ba?
Matagal po.
Yeah. Yes.
2 years.
2
2 years. We launched Motorsport Carnival in 2023 and we were able to conceptualize it right after. So 2 years preparation talaga. So it took a while. We wanted to do a 2024 but hindi talaga eh. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko na-achieve. So okay naman. We took our time. Kompleto naman tayo sa support. Super Sprint is there. Professional. They're the best in what they do with slalom. Joms Cup will be launched, supported by Philippine Drag Racing Federation and Automotive Association of the Philippines also. And then the rally will be headed by no less than the head of motorsports of Automotive Association of the Philippines, si Ricky Deliaco. So everything is covered. So safety
So 2 years
standards
in-
are set.
2 years in the making pala to.
Yes.
Tagal
Pero nung
ah.
nag-launch kayo nun, di ba may mga event na rin?
We did yung 2023. So this one we had to prepare. We needed more time to prepare this one because it's big and it doesn't end in June. I will be calling you guys again for Burr months. Gusto ko man i-announce yung Burr months towards the end pero malunod tayo eh. So we'll cut it from June. We'll call another press con for after June.
Towards the Vermonts na.
Yeah, so ano naman. So it's really big. I would say we were ambitious during 2023, but we are here now to deliver it and execute yung race proper na mismo. So, realistically speaking, yeah, simple layout and we can do it.
The one that's happening in Boardwalk, is that going to be like a car show as well? Will there be like best in show awards for some of the cars?
No competition with the car meet or the car show style of May 4 provided by legends of the 90s, but
Okay.
I'll definitely say na with all honesty na I'm proud na legends are here, legends of the 90s are here, and you guys will be seeing cars you don't see in the road every often. So,
John, the plants will not be affected by storms and quakes and ano.
knock on wood.
Nothing can stop it.
Knock on wood. So, okay naman tayo dito. I think the weather will be good.
Okay.
Yung May okay pa yun.
With rally, walang
Ah, May is
problema.
okay.
With rally, wala tayong problema because rally is rain or shine. So, rain or shine ang design ng rally. In rally races abroad nga, there's even snow, gravel, tarmac.
Okay.
So, iba-ibang terrain. So, with rally, wala tayong issue with our rally events. We don't have issues with rain. Kahit bumabagyo yan. We did it in 2023. The rally of Tarlac, bumabagyo yun. We were in the middle of a storm. So this time, Joms Cup lang ang medyo critical. So we have an
Kasi
extra
June.
day, which is June 1, just in case for bad weather. Kasi with drag racing, professional drag racing, pag may ulan, it cannot run. So, yeah.
Jom, having experienced yung mga race sa drag racing, hindi ka ba natatakot for Abby? Kasi sabi niya, gusto niya naman try.
No, it's gonna be very, very safe. We gather, everyone that will join, we gather. We will take care of them. Take care of them. We'll be conducting briefings before races. Bago ng karera, meron kami mga drivers briefing, kompleto yan. We designed this one. All the races will be designed to be safe. And yung professional lighting, yung ano yan may ilaw na pula, may ilaw na yellow, ituturo namin lahat. And the design is to gather all the racers, and we will definitely take care of them, guide them, and teach them and how to set up everything.
Nakapag-race na ba siya before?
No?
Dahil lang sa'yo.
Libre lahat yan, panoorin ng mga tao.
Of course, we have one
To the
condition.
public.
Syempre, you have to
Register.
register, and then you have to follow, and you have to like. Okada Manila, #1, and then Motorsport Carnivale, and then also the reward systems namin that we have to offer. So, libre lahat ito. It's a family affair. Okada, the biggest integrated resort casino in the country, will be ready for family events, and we consider this one to be a family-friendly family affair. They could deposit the kids in play. They could deposit the kids in their events inside Okada. Enjoy the races, enjoy the fountain show, enjoy the room accommodation. So hindi to limited to panlalaki lang. Family affair. So when we invite, dalhin yung buong pamilya. Style Las Vegas.
In terms of prices, what are we talking about?
This one is medyo critical. We're in the final stage. 4 na gulong, 2 gulong. Tulad nyo mamaya, we'll be raffling watches for you guys.
Kala ko gulong paparap.
Gulong na lang. We'll be raffling watches for you guys later. We'll be raffling also room accommodation. And a few toys from Tamiya. So, the main events naman natin, simple lang. We want everyone to be happy because it's a motorsport event. Pag motorsport, may 4 na gulong, may 2 gulong. Pagpala rin tayo na maipamahagi natin sa tao.
Pero John, during your time, never rin ka pang na-accident.
I had a few really big ones.
Kailan to? Tsaka anong nangyari?
The biggest one would be 1997, final race of the season. Philippine National Touring Car Championship. My car took off. Si Jody Casating was sa ilalim. Enteng Florendo was there also. Yeah, I wrecked the car. But I don't know why, but ang ending lagi, a driver na nagka-crash and recovers from it becomes a better driver. We become faster. We become better. So that's what happened to me. I believe, ako, in my opinion lang, that's what happened to Ricky Deliaco also. His biggest crash made him better. So it's crazy. Yes, we have a few coming in. So crashes, well-designed na rin. Safety standards are well-designed. Anywhere around the world, high category races, it's all designed for crash. Pero no injury.
So mga actresses natin, parang si Rian nagka-racing.
Rian is a professional race car driver.
So is she sure?
I hope so. Invite natin.
Si Sam.
Sam, yung mag-asawa Troy and Aubrey. They're professional race car drivers.
Mateo.
Yung isa, yung Clean Fuel.
Sinong Sam?
The owner.
Yung former boyfriend ni Bea. Dominic also is a professional race car driver.
Mateo din siya.
Mateo, during my time, inabot ko pa siya, nag-abot pa kami. He was a champion karting driver then. Yung latter parts ko with Toyota Team Toms, he was already driving Formula 3 and Formula Toyota. So marami rin celebrities na mahilig. Also Tonton, Monching, professionals yan.
Si
Marlon Stackinger, our biggest name when it comes to Angie King also pagdating sa international na identity as a Filipino. I think Angie King is our biggest star pagdating sa motoring tsaka professional competition. 6 most of them are old. I like old cars. I have 6 race cars and mga 4 everyday cars.
Thank you. Yun lang, sis.
Ayun na, yung synopsis, yung
So,
parang